Everyone, my name is Arif from VCPS school. I am here to teach physical science for 8th standard. Before entering into the topic, I want to speak to you about the pandemic situation of COVID-19. You should not afraid of that, but you should have to take precautions. You should follow the 3 precautionary activities. That is S, M, S. The first S represents washing your hands with soap or applying hand sanitizer like this. You have to apply sanitizer like this, or you should wash your hands neatly with soap. Okay. The first S represents the soap or sanitizer. Okay. The M represents using of mask. You should use mask when you are going outside from home. Okay. Next, the third S represents the social distance. Social distance means keeping far away from person to person. Just 2 meters gap from person to person. When you are going outside from your home, while you are going to market or for buying anything, you should make the physical distance. This is known as social distance. Physical distance between the body to body, from person to person. Okay. Okay, let us go into the topic. The first unit in your 8th standard of physical science, that is force. Okay, let us see the introduction of force and types of forces. Okay, let us see what is force. In our daily activities, you will do many things, many works, like writing on the board or writing anything on the paper, or walking or eating food, or playing something, playing games, throwing a cricket ball, or playing a football or volleyball, or playing kabaddi, like anything. These all things which are done by you for every day. That is regarding the force. That includes the force. Okay. Let us see some examples of force. What I have said now, just opening or closing the door in your home, or throwing a ball, throwing a cricket ball, or kicking a football. These are the examples of the force. Writing on a paper or eating food. These are also examples of force. Okay. In our earlier classes, you have already learnt about work, pressure, energy. You have already learned about these 3. Let us see what is meant by work. You already know that the act of doing anything, just walking, reading, eating, sleeping, or anything, the act of doing anything is known as work. Okay. You know that pressure is equal to force by area. Okay. The force applied, let us take some small area and apply the force on this area. This is known as pressure. Okay. Next, energy. The capacity to do work is called energy. You are familiar with these 3 words. Okay. In continuation to this, the next word is force. We already discussed what is force. Okay, let us see the types of forces. First one is the contact force. Then second one is the non-contact. Let us see what is the difference. Contact force. Contact means contact or interaction. Interaction between the 2 objects. Let us see. It is the interaction between the 2. hands. For example, consider it is a ball. There is an interaction between the ball and my hand. There is a contact. Okay? Contact force means nothing but interaction. Interaction between the bodies. Okay, let us see. Second one, non-contact force. Please try to concentrate. Okay. Non-contact force. There is no contact between the bodies. For example, consider a magnet. This is a magnet. For example, we keep a iron nail here. Then this iron nail is attracted by this magnet. Okay, due to the magnetic force. Non-contact. The word itself represents there is no contact between these two, iron nail and the magnet. Okay, let us see about the contact forces, types of contact forces in detail. Okay, let us see the types of contact forces. The first one is the muscular force. Okay, muscular. The name itself shows that the force exerted by the muscle. Okay, for example, we have seen many examples of muscular force. For example, I am taking this chalk piece. Let us consider it is a ball. While playing cricket, one person throws ball like this. The energy is applied, the force is applied using the muscle. Okay, that is an example of muscular force. There are many examples. Writing on a paper like this for using this muscle. That is another example. I am writing this using the chalk piece. I am also using this muscle. That is also an example of muscular force. Okay. Next. One person is riding the vehicle, using he applies the muscular force for moving the steering. The person keeps his hands on the steering and he simply moves like this. That is an example of muscular force. Okay. Eating food. We are also, when eating food, we are applying some force. That is also a muscular force. Okay.